How to add pages within pages in Squarespace. So this is going to be the updated version because there have been some changes. So here from the dashboard, I'll just click on website, which will take me to my Squarespace website. Now from the left hand side, again, we have to choose website, which is the first option. And then main navigation, we want to focus on this section. Basically, it's this menu, about us, our services, and blog for me. So here we want to click on the plus sign. And then you want to choose the option for drop down, which is at the very bottom, organize and show more pages. So click on drop down, and here we can set the name for this main menu. So I'm going to do test menu, and I will just click anywhere on my website like so. So it saves, and now we have this test menu. If we want to add pages within pages, we will simply either add a new page here from this plus icon, or I can drag and drop this onto my test menu. As you can see, I'll repeat the same for this page as well. And now they are added within my test menu. And if I hover over my test menu here, as you can see, we have about us and our services. So that's how we add pages within pages in Squarespace. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.